Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, things are a little bit disorganized, and if you hear any noise in the background, Ryder's out with me and he's not happy because I'm not paying attention to him. But I hope everybody's doing good. Back here with another snack box. So let's get into it, huh? Let's see what we got. And alright, there is the flag for this country, and let's see who it is. Ah, gosh, dog. Hang on. Yeah, he gets very upset if I don't pay attention to him. So, alright, here you go. Go get that. Get my table all dirty. It's cool. Oh, no. Go lay down. Good boy. Dog's crazy. Crazy dog. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is from South Korea. And here's the card. Picture. And we have, I always pronounce this wrong. Here's some facts about South Korea. There's also a recipe for this dish. I've heard a lot about it. It looks delicious. Here's a recipe for it if you like to try it. So let's see what we got. Oh, there's a lot of snacks in here. So let's see what this one is. This is okay. We have the Choco pie, moon pie type thing. Give that a quick taste. Here's what it looks like. Oh, yeah. It's good. Chocolate marshmallows, you know, how can you go wrong with that? Oh, that was really good. And what else do we have? Butter coconut sweet biscuits. Alright, dude. You gotta stop putting the ball on the table. We're trying to do stuff here, alright? Alright, I'm gonna throw it. Okay, you ready? Sit. No, you're not sitting. Park your butt. Come on. Down. No, not on the table. Sit. Alright, good boy. Tell you, he's a good boy, and I'm so happy that we rescued him and he kind of rescued us. But let's get back into this box. Okay, so we have butter coconut biscuits by Lotte, crunchy and delectable cookies with a taste of buttery and a hint of coconut. Taste of butter, whatever. It's early for me. So, let's see what we got here. And get down to the knife. Hey, come on. No. Good boy. Be good, you might get a cracker. So that's what they look like. Oh, yeah. Very light, very crispy. Really don't even taste the coconut much. That's really good. Hey! Enough! Sorry about that. Ryder, go lay down. This whole video is gonna be nothing but me telling him, go lay down. Hey, Go lay down. Okay. And he cracks me up because he throws himself down like an absolute 2-year-old. Oh. Okay. What else do we got? Oh. Well, that's a cute box. Look at that. These are Kancho Choco Biscuits. Bite-sized crunchy biscuits filled with the chocolate filling. Oh, it opened up really easy too. Nice. Okay. Oh, these are cute. No! Dog! Alright, let me eat this. I'll throw the ball for the dog. Okay. That's very good. Very subtle. A little bit of chocolate. Cookie. Really good. Can't go wrong with those. Okay. Let's go lay down. No. No. Good boy. Whew. Silly, 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 silly dog. And it came with a second choco pie. And then we have, what is this? It's, let's find out. Another chocolate pie. Oh. There you go. Very, I want to say Oreo-like. That's kind of a cross between a moon pie and an Oreo. That's really good. And came with 2 of those. And this is also came with 2 of these. Custard cream cakes. No, dude, come on. We can't be. This is what I do when I sit out here. I'm just a ball launcher. Nice catch, though. Good boy. We're okay. We're good now. We can lay down. Maybe. No. Okay. So, sorry, there's a little all over the place with the dog and everything, but he is very demanding. I think he takes after me. Maybe. Probably. Alright. Whatever. Anyway, here's a custard pie. Pretty good. And it's not overly sweet. None of the stuff has been overly sweet. So, and that's good. I like that. So, pretty good. And last but not least, we have the toasted seaweed. And I do like seaweed. I like sushi. California rolls are really good. Oh, awesome. Came with a little discount. Is that what that's called? Keep it fresh. Yeah, these are just sheets of seaweed. Was good. The first time, a little fishy though. Still fishy, but good. First time I had these, I was in elementary school, and one of my teachers, I believe she was half Korean, I'm not sure, but she brought seaweed to school for all of us to try. Oh, it's pretty good. No, not for puppies. No. Guessing he could smell that from here. No, no, go lay down. I'll get you a cookie, I promise. No. Such a joy to have. Anyway, that was snack box for, don't ask me if it's February or March. I have 2 here. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and open up the second one while we're here as well, right? So here's the second one. Dog, you gotta stop, man. Nice catch again. Go lay down. So let's see what country this is from. And as usual, there's the flag. And let's find out who it is. No! You can't keep doing this. Slobber, no. Lay down. Silly boy. Okay. And here's the inside of the box. And the country is Thailand. There we go. And there's some little facts about Thailand. And there's a recipe for Thai iced tea. You can see that. Has it. And some facts about the country. There you go. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Lord, I think the mailman came too because he got all excited. Oh, no. Alright, let's get into this. Again, I'm sorry if it's all kind of disjointed and everything, but we don't pay attention to the baby here. He gets upset. So, let's see what we got here. This is Usagi, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering these names. This is Usagi Puff Caramel. Ooh. Oh, it's. Has anybody had sugar corn pops back in the 70s? Because I'm not old. Okay, I'm throwing it. There you go. Yeah. No. Oh, this thing is just all slobbered mud. They're like sugar corn pops. They look like the corn pop cereal. All right, last time, buddy. No. Oh, so demanding, but that's what they look like. Tastes exactly like them too. Nice. Alright. Clean my hands off. Okay, so, and next we have a cream wafer, which looks like the little wafer cookies that you get. I like the chocolate ones a lot. Those are good. Yeah. Just chocolate covered wafer cookie. Doesn't really have a flavor to it at all. No. Mr. Demanding. So, yeah, it doesn't have any flavor to it at all. No. Life with a dog. This is what happens. So, adopt, don't shop. He's our rescue. He's awesome. But anyway, back to this again. Yeah, it doesn't really have any flavor. Oh, no. that was that. And then we have, oh, awesome. We have another one that is chocolate covered. Let's see if this one tastes any better than that last one did. I mean, there was just not a lot of flavor in it. And I'm just gonna cut this one open because I'm having one of them mornings already. No! Go lay down. And then he crosses his little paws like, okay, fine, I'll do it. But I don't like it. And the garbage truck is here. That's the stuff you hear in the background. So, yeah, that's about the same as the other one was. And again, really no flavor. Not even from the chocolate. Very little. Not my favorite. Not at all. But these are really good. Maybe I should turn the box upright, huh? Little Pocky. Little chocolate biscuits sticks. My hands are not working right today, and I've been having a lot of pain. These are really good. These are strawberry flavored. Yeah, they're really good. Oh, yes, that artificial strawberry flavor with little biscuits. Really good. Definitely one of my favorites in this box, for sure. And then this, last but not least, is chicky sticks. It's like little French fries. Nice. Oh yeah, they're tiny. They're little. They're tiny. Oh, those are good. Okay. And they're spicy. Nice. Probably out of the two boxes, I'd say this is my favorite, followed by the Pocky and the seaweed. Those were good. Oh, I am going to enjoy these. I'm just gonna eat these up. Oh, look at me like that puppy dog. Anyway, that is it for these two boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that thumbs up. And thank you. Welcome all new people. Pull up a chair, get yourself comfy, you know. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.